Blizzard is a female Tarbosaurus that resided on Isla Nublar with her sister, the very Tarbosaurus that antagonized the Nublar 6. Unlike her red sibling, Blizzard is more reserved and docile and prefers to keep to herself, only becoming aggressive when she absolutely needs to. Every day, she wishes that her sister would do the same, and would often try to keep her sister and herself out of trouble. When Darius first landed in the Tarbosaurus nest, Blizzard immediately tried to calm her sister down by persuading her to just leave Darius alone, but the red Tarbosaurus never listened to her. Despite everything Blizzard does, her sister always seems to disregard her and pay no attention. Over time, this made Blizzard very fed up. One day, after being defeated by Rexy, the red Tarbosaurus antagonized the Nublar 6 again, but this time, Blizzard had enough. She came out of hiding, faced her sibling, and growled. When the red Tarbo tried to go around Blizzard and attack Darius, Blizzard grabbed her sibling, pinned her to the ground, and roared at her in anger. The red Tarbosaurus knew that look on Blizzard and immediately backed down. Meanwhile, the Nublar 6 saw this as an opportunity to escape. Blizzard tries to communicate with her sister and tell her how much this hatred towards the group is hurting them. The red one understood and apologized for being so rude to her. Blizzard forgave her, and the two sisters walked back into the jungle. The red Tarbosaurus was as good as her word, and paid more attention to her sister from then on. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more. It would really help out a ton. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys next time.